Hello everyone. So the eyes are primed and done, and I'm going to be taking, of course, the infamous Huda palette. Huda Beauty palette. I'm going to be taking these three gorgeous colors, and actually these two gorgeous colors, and I'm going to take those two and I'm going to apply it to the crease, blending out very well. I'll have the shades listed in the description box. Taking a yellow color, and I'm going to apply it up under the shade that we did use in the crease first, and this is going to give like an ombre look. To definitely apply concealer because I am so obsessed with cut creases. So basically what I'm going to do is basically cut out the crease, and when I cut out the crease, I am going to be setting it with a setting powder. Okay, so I'm going to be taking this gorgeous lime green, and I'm going to have everything listed below, and I'm just going to apply it into the inner corner and halfway across the lid. Next, I'm going to take this nice, gorgeous, this is like a bronze color, but I kind of made it look like a orange. And once I applied it next to the green, it looks so bomb, like hella bomb, and it turned out amazing. So now I'm going to just kind of like wing it out as far as the concealer is. I'm just going to wing it out. And then after I wing it out, I'm just going to make sure that I blend. So basically what I did do is apply some shadow into that line where the cut crease starts. I applied a purple, which is amazing. And I also applied a light blue to the, actually not light blue, a dark blue to the lower lash line to give it a little bit more definition. Now I'm applying my favorite eyeliner, which is the Color Workshops liquid eyeliner, and I love this eyeliner so much.